Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to enable a single click to open files and folders instead of a double click in Linux Mint. This instantly forces your system to launch applications, documents, and folders with a single tap, mimicking a fast web browser-style navigation across your files. Open your default file manager by clicking the folder icon on your bottom taskbar panel, or open any folder on your desktop. Move your cursor to the top header menu bar and click directly on the option labeled Edit. Look at the bottom of the drop-down menu and click on Preferences to load your configuration board. When the File Management Preferences window pops up, click on the Behavior tab located second in the top row and locate the option explicitly labeled Single Click to Open Items. Click the radio button directly next to Single Click to Open Items to switch the system selection rule from its traditional double-click default. Keep in mind that once you activate this, you select items simply by hovering your mouse pointer over them for a brief second instead of clicking. Nemo applies this change globally in real time, so you can simply click the Close button at the bottom right corner to lock your new layout. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.